In the final days, humanity will be forced to choose whose authority they live under. The mark of the beast is a symbol of ownership, a sign that you belong to the Antichrist system, prioritizing earthly security, buying and selling, over obedience to God. Throughout the Bible, marks represent allegiance. Just as God seals his people with the Holy Spirit, Ephesians chapter 1 verse 13, the beast marks his followers. The question today is not about identifying a microchip, but examining your heart. Are you living for the world's approval, or are you sealed by God? Choose today whose mark you will bear.